Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into some exciting developments in the world of smart eyewear. Meta is reportedly gearing up for the next evolution of its smart glasses, bringing us closer than ever to true augmented reality, AR. The third generation of Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses is rumored to arrive in 2025, and leaks suggest significant improvements that could push the boundaries of wearable technology. Could this be the moment when smart glasses finally become mainstream? Let's explore everything we know so far about the upcoming Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses and what they might offer. Meta's push for next-gen smart glasses. Meta has been in the smart eyewear game for a few years now, with two previous iterations of Ray-Ban smart glasses hitting the market in 2021. These glasses have primarily focused on integrating AI features and hands-free interaction, but the next-generation model is expected to introduce a built-in display. During Meta's Q4 2024 investor call, Mark Zuckerberg hinted at 2025 being a pivotal year for the company's smart glasses division. While he didn't confirm specific details about the third-generation glasses, he emphasized their potential to reshape the industry. Meta has ambitious plans to introduce AI-powered eyewear that could reach hundreds of millions or even billions of users worldwide. Expected features: a glimpse into the future. Leaks indicate that the upcoming Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses will feature an in-lens display covering approximately half of the user's field of vision. While not fully immersive like a VR headset, this subtle overlay could significantly enhance user interaction, providing information without obstructing natural sight. If Meta manages to include a full-color display, it would be a game-changer, offering an experience much closer to true AR. Another major concern for smart glasses has always been battery life. The current generation of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses offers around 4 hours of usage, which isn't particularly impressive. Adding a display to the mix will likely demand even more power, making battery optimization crucial. Hopefully, Meta has worked on improving battery efficiency, either through better power management or larger capacity batteries, ensuring that users can rely on their glasses for an extended period without frequent recharges. Camera upgrades, a step toward a better visual experience. One of the standout features of the current Ray-Ban Meta glasses is the built-in 12MP camera, which supports Meta AI's Look and Ask feature. However, with each new iteration, we expect improvements in image quality, and the third-gen model should be no exception. A higher-resolution camera with better sensors would make the glasses far more useful for everyday photography and video recording, bringing them closer to competing with premium smartphones in terms of image capture capabilities. Mass adoption, the key to success. Mark Zuckerberg has made it clear that 2025 will be a decisive year for smart glasses adoption. Meta envisions a future where AI-powered glasses are as common as smartphones, but for that to happen, pricing needs to be accessible. The cost of these glasses will play a critical role in determining whether they become a mainstream product. A competitive price point, possibly lower than previous versions, could significantly impact their adoption rate. If Meta wants these glasses to become a household name, they need to strike a balance between cutting-edge features and affordability. Other competitors like Apple, Google, and Samsung are also exploring the AR glasses market, making it imperative for Meta to offer a compelling product that stands out in terms of both functionality and pricing. Meta isn't the only player in this field. Apple is rumored to be working on AR-focused glasses, Google has been investing in smart eyewear for years, and Samsung is also exploring similar technologies. The third-generation Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses represent a significant leap forward in wearable technology. While they may not yet offer a fully immersive AR experience, the inclusion of an in-lens display, improved AI capabilities, and a better camera could make them one of the most compelling smart glasses yet. If Meta manages to optimize battery life, offer a competitive price, and refine their AI software, we could be looking at the first true step toward the widespread adoption of smart glasses. With the competition heating up and technology advancing rapidly, 2025 might be the year we finally see smart glasses become a mainstream reality. That's all for today's update on the third-generation Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. What are your thoughts? Do you think these new features are enough to push smart glasses into the mainstream? Let us know in the comments below.